David Goggins is known to be the toughest man alive. He transcended from poverty and being extremely overweight, weighing in at 300 pounds. His lifestyle had to change completely in order to become the baddest motherfucker alive. Today's challenge is to complete a day in life as David Goggins himself.
Who's gonna carry the boat?
Motherfucker, oh God.
Currently 5 a.m. and I'm regretting everything already. I honestly am. I feel like you're ready though. you look pretty ready. Freaking slept like 2 hours ago and now we gotta get up and run 12 miles, which is... I don't remember the last time I woke up this early.
You look actually ready.
Oh my God, this challenge already.
I want to do an ice bath.
We're gonna do that today, guys. Starting off with this 12-mile run, bro. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember the last time I saw sunrise, and it's actually freaking rising right now. Seriously, I haven't seen sunrise in so long. That's also a thing that David Goggins does. Not taking a peek at your phone in the mornings and just going on this run is basically what he does. So let's get it. 3, 2, 1, pass. Oh shoot, we're actually doing this. We're moving.
You're wasting a bunch of percentage here. In this other 80% is suffering, pain, failure, self-doubt, darkness.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, so far, this David Goggins challenge, too easy. But look at him. I don't think he's ran a mile in like freaking 3 years. 2 miles in, this is actually a breeze for me, but Arlen is nowhere to be found. If you look back, he's basically jogging, but like, oh, and he just ignores me as soon as, bro, I've been waiting for him for like an hour and he just ignores, I guess. I'm gonna keep running. Hey guys, so we're at 5 miles and my watch actually didn't track my freaking time. It stayed at 4 since we kind of like said bye to Arlen, and it's gonna say 8 miles on here, but we actually did around 10, so keep that in mind. We're about 9 miles in. To be honest, I just gotta say I respect David Goggins in any way, shape, or form. I am not feeling good. Right, so apparently David Goggins only eats about 800 calories. All we're gonna do is have 2 eggs and a bit of spinach, and that's about it. Hey, I give you props for everything you actually did. Meal number 1, 2 eggs. I put a little bit of egg whites because honestly I need the volume. I am seriously ready to dig in, so all right, enjoy this. You asleep or what? We're supposed to be filming David Goggins. Yeah, I'll give you a massage, but promise me next frame that they see is us working out at Metroflex.
I'm tired.
Now that we've had a meal, we actually sat down and did some desk work. Time to actually execute this workout, this David Goggins workout.
So he does 100 bench press, 100 deadlift, and 100 pull-ups.
So we're gonna try 135 for 100 reps.
If we can't do 100, we'll go down to 25 whenever we feel like we can.
Okay. There you go, there's your 20. Crazy, bro. No, for real. Let me go down to 25. I'm gonna finish it up. I got 34?
Yeah.
How many to go? Maybe
76, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Are you counting too slow? I'm like going over.
8, 9, 70. I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100.
So that was 100 reps from me?
Yeah, buddy.
You got 100. 1, 2, 3. Remember, he was so confident saying, I'm gonna get 100, I'm gonna get 100. Bro, it gets tough. $60. 40 more. I'm just back with one paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 70. Let's go. David Goggins is gonna call you up tomorrow, bro. What are you gonna say?
If he's ready for it.
You can say, wait, baby. Hey, bro. Look at those eyes. He's just fucking locked in. Get through it. 1, 2. 99 always feels the worst, but it's the best. Ready? All good. Let's go. To the normal human being, if you got it like that, you got it like that, respect. Let's do these deadlifts. Let's do it. 100 reps for David Goggins. 1. Fucking 59 left.
99.
That's my 100. You're 100 the next.
Scared about this one. 3 herniated discs, size 3 millimeters.
He got into a car crash recently and shit, so. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Damn, that shit hurts.
Okay, don't mess yourself up.
Yeah, I don't think so, bro.
Yeah. Okay, so you come this far, to be honest. I'm actually really proud of you. We're not gonna risk our health this far. As long as I got it done, you know, we're still going through the workout. You're still gonna go through the rest of the workout. You know what I mean? It's just a back problem that you have. Okay, so now we have 100 bicep curls. Let's get these done. 100 of them. getting to 30 is actually really
30.
Oh, let's keep going, let's keep going.
57.
You're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel it. It's all hurting, it's all starting to pile up.
Got it.
Pumped, I'm not even trying to. Arlen's turn.
All right.
Got it?
Yeah.
1. 29. 30.
Fuck.
It's like you never know which part of the bicep you're hitting when you're hitting these. Definitely the most up front bicep right here. Fuck, motherfucker. I got you. There we go. 25 more, 25, 25, 25. All right. That's 100. Do this to save your life. Let's go. What are you gonna? Yes, sir. I love that mentality. What better exercise than to end it off with this military press? Give it a shot at 100 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I can.
9, 60, 97, 98, 99, 100.
100. Ooh, wind me up, boy. Hey, okay, all right. Don't worry.
Oh, fuck, we did shorter yesterday, right?
You're on 0 reps and you're already. Get it, boy, get it. 100. Oh, everybody is watching us. All right, so that concludes all 400 reps. Now it's time to actually go take a swim. But before that, we got to jump in the ice. Okay, so next, I know this is kind of like breaking the challenge, but not really. I'm still staying strict to the David Goggins diet. The only thing is I did get a little bit of beef, but it's basically chicken, rice, and beans. That's all I got. This guy kind of broke it a little too far.
Just a lot of veggies. It's rice, chicken, beef, lettuce.
What I truly want you guys to know is that 600 calories is really nothing for a meal. So this would definitely fill me up and just like fuel me up for what is to come within the next couple hours, because it's gonna be a challenge. And I bet taking an ice bath, having to freaking swim all day, and then cycling is definitely gonna defeat me. So this is definitely a good fuel up right there. I got water. Him on the other hand, what are you drinking?
Diet Coke.
No given. Peace. I'll see you guys in the ice bath. I'm actually really nervous because I've never actually done this. This is the ice bath / cold plunge. Oh my god, I'm fucking nervous, bro. Oh my god, bro. I'm good. Look, I'm good.
Wait, let me lay down first.
Oh, bro, that's freezing. Let's go. Jump in.
Okay, it's not as bad anymore.
I guess it's so weird. Go. Try. Hey.
You look like a gay boy.
So this is my boy Victor. He's also gonna try it. He's been behind the camera the whole time. He said he hasn't cold blooded in a very long time, so. Nice. I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. We did it wrong. Oh, damn. You good. Try it out. We're kind of wet. Why not go to the pool and jump in like David Goggins does every single day? We're about to take on that challenge, and it should be a breeze now.
David Goggins apparently does 2 miles in the swimming pool, which means 32 laps.
Let's get started with the challenge. We got 2 miles to run through. Let's get it.
We have 31 laps.
I know what it feels like to be David Goggins. Definitely tap in and do this workout. It is not just a mental killer, it's freaking exhausting and like physically killing, bro.
I'm cramping.
Your foot, right?
My quads, bro. The running up, bro.
Oh, he's finishing up his lap.
I can't swim.
All right, so I think I just felt the 2 mile swim. I think I've done enough, just like kind of prove to myself like, okay, you could push further, but I'm gonna finish this workout at least as far as I possibly can. So let's keep going. Okay, so last but not least, we got cycling, and I'm already going into it with a negative mindset. So I feel like at this point, I'm just like up to here with all the working out. And David Goggins, I respect is what you're looking for throughout this world. Cool, but oh my God, we're gonna see what actually comes out of this. Let's start.
My body, my mind, it's fried. I can't anymore, so I'm tapping out.
If I faint right now or pass out, you got me? For 25 miles, I don't even know what mile I'm on. I'm just gonna go as far as I possibly can.
Musk or David Goggins, who gets to Mars first?
Honestly, at this point, David Goggins.
Ha! That's right, motherfucker!
Okay, so at this point, I don't even know if it's my legs giving out or it's just my mind. Try to get the most we can out of just the final couple minutes of the day, because honestly, too much to even handle. Like, I don't want to say I quit, but I kind of feel like a quitter. I'd give it a shot again, but not anytime soon, man. This channel is obviously new, so subscribe if you're new, and I appreciate you if you're coming from the mob, if you're part of the mob. That's been it for me. I'm Marty, and I'm out. Peace. Is that how you... what are you doing? Yeah, you giving birth? I'm a midwife.